Hi, my name is Hasnat Azam and I'm the founder of Weblonix Technologies. I'm going to show you how Weblonix restaurant management software works. Okay, so this is the branch office dashboard. In the upcoming videos, we will walk you through the back office software where restaurant owners can access records from all branches and view detailed report. So right now it's a branch office setup. You can see here we have multiple options over here like order, cash draw, reports, employee or shift management, settings, memberships, table, QR code, and delivery integration. If you have any sort of like delivery partner like Food Panda, Uber Eats, or any else, Talabat or anyone else. So let's go to the order section. Click on the order. Now here you will see the table management, that how it's gonna look like. So if you have multiple floors in the branch, then you can set up the flooring system. Like right now we have did A, B. You can do that floor A, floor B, and arrange the tables like that. So let's suppose we have a customer right now on BO1 table, and let's click on that, and there let's suppose ordering a pizza right now. Let's do pizza, and select the quantity, size, click OK. Then we have like some, they are asking for cold drink. We will go ahead for that. If the customer is takeaway customer, then we can do select on takeaway. If it's a dining, then place an order over here. Then so it's in queue. So now going in the order record, and we will see the details over here. If we click on this, we will see the details, every single detail, the price and everything. Now it's on a B1 table, the order number this, and if you want to print the bill, we can click on the print. If we have like priority alert, then we can ring the bell so that they can know, the staff may know that it's a hurry customer or something. So if you wanted to go into the details, we can click on the detail in the below section over here, and we can see what they have ordered. Okay, we can click on back, and going back to the table, let's go to the table and click on this to pay. Now if customer is looking for something else, then we can go to ordering, and like if they are asking for zinger burger and fries, we can add the size, whichever, small, medium, large, and confirm. Then we can place an order. Now it will be in ordered section. So yeah, now if we want to check out, we will just simply go to the checkout button over here in the below right section. Let me just go over here and click on checkout. So it's going to be over here. So if they want to split the bill, we can click on the products that whatever they wanted to split, we can split the bill. If they don't, then no worries. Now if we want to add any sort of service charges or something like that, we can click on that, and compensation, special food item, extra service fee, other reason, you can put whatever the reason is. Select the reason and put the amount over here. If we want to give the discount to the customer, we can go over here by amount, by percentage. Let's suppose by amount, we can select the reason and click on the discount, whatever it is we want to give to the customer. So we will cut it, and then the payment methods, cash, debit card, credit card, whatever they wanted to like pay. Right now let's suppose we have cash, so we are going to enter the amount, whatever the amount they have given. Let's suppose they have 2500. Click on checkout, 150 is change, confirm, and done. So the order is gone. So this is paid. We can see it in the record section and the ordering system. So let's suppose we have some customer who is someone is willing for like self delivery or something. Let's see that. Right now if you want to add a customer, click on add a customer, and we have existing customer. If you want to add a new customer, click on the add new customer button, fill out the information and add to sale. Now let's suppose there is a customer who is a walk-in customer, or someone is like a self-delivery person. Let's suppose we are doing this order for them. Now click on if it's a takeaway, self-delivery, or any third-party integration payment like a delivery platform, Food Panda, Uber Eats, or Talabat. Then we will click on let's suppose we are going for self-delivery. Enter the pickup route, whatever. Let's suppose right now 10112 something I am putting. Click on checkout, and it's order successfully done. Now select the payment method, enter the amount, click on checkout, and the $100 is the change, and it's done. So it's that simple. You can see that in the order history, in-store orders, and then we will see the delivery and dine-in customer, they have paid the bill. If you have any online orders, it will come up over here. And in-store orders right now, if it's ongoing order, we don't have any ongoing order, online orders or anything, so it's not showing over here. Now let's going back on the tables, and these are the table settings. Now let's go into the settings, and there's a cash drawer option. It will open up. Then reports, let's go to the report section. So right now we don't have any unpaid amount, no split order paid, nothing right now. So we are going back to see the right now that the orders that we have collected. So these are the order details. If we have any online, we can click on that, but we don't have any online orders right now, so there would be nothing. So going back into order history, it's in online section, so we don't have any like right now online orders. We didn't put any. So in the upcoming video we will show you how to place an online order. So these are the report section according to the products and everything, product category and everything. Let's go back to the settings and click on employees. Now you can add the account of new employee by clicking on add account, and then fill up the information. You can select the role, whether it's a shop owner, cashier, waiter. Then select the option and enter the pin code through which you want them to log in. Then if we go to the attendance setting, we can select prioritize it in the location based, that whenever they are going to come up in the location, they can file the things. Let's go to the settings now, and go to the menu, the product. If you want to add any category in the product section, you can see the categories, and you can add on the category and fill up the information, and you can save that. Now if you want to add a product, click on add product, then select the enter the name, category, and everything, single detail, add specification if you want, and then you can save, and it will be easily saved. Now if you go to the menu, we don't have access, give access to the branch menu option, so they can't edit that. But if there is anybody else like you're the shop owner and you're asking your manager to add the menu, they can do that. So we have menu templates as well. You can see the big picture, no picture, list kind of. So whatever you like, you can do that. So in the products, if we see the menu thing that I was talking about, if you want to give access to the manager, they can easily go ahead and like edit the menu. Now go to the table manage. Here you can add the table section, like if you have different flooring, 1 to floor A, floor B, floor C, you can do that. Or if you have divided your restaurant in the section, you can do that from here. And to add a table, you will simply go to the add button in the table side, and you can add the table by giving the details over here with a very simple click. Now if we go to the QR code table, QR code, now it will be very helpful for you if you are getting the orders through your you are going to stick this QR code on the table, and the customer can order whatever they want from that QR code by scanning that, and they will get a menu, they will order, and your restaurant branch manager or whoever will be the cashier will get that into the software that this table has this order. So kitchen display system also shows that, and you will place the order over here on that table. You can like bring that order to that. Now next, going to the hardware, we have different local printer, cloud printer, kitchen display system, CDs, kiosk, and we will see these details later. The in-store order settings, we can do that, pay after meal and everything, whatever you like. We will see every single detail in one by one steps in the next videos. Then the online orders, if we go to the online ordering, like we have online orders, then these are the settings over here: self pickup, self delivery. These are the like cash on delivery, and whatever option you want to give, you can go ahead and put that thing into that. Then the payment options, like currency, roundup payment, taxes, service fees, tips, everything, you can edit every single information from here. Then if you go to the services, in that section you will see the manuals where you can see the software details and everything. If you go to the feature manage, you will see the feature list, WhatsApp integration, WhatsApp promotion, delivery integration, everything we will see in detail in the next videos. So let's go back to the settings, and here is a tab of membership. So you will see the customers, and you can generate coupons, marketing page and everything, marketing thing, add new customer, everything. Then as I told you about the QR code, this would be like generate the QR code and everything I told you earlier. And then if we go to the next step, to the delivery integration, if you have any third-party integration like Uber Eats or someone else, then you can integrate that with simple one click. Click on the delivery integration, and you will be redirected to this page, and you can log in and sync the orders with the Weblonix restaurant management software. Now let's go to the online platform. That online menu you will generate with one click. So this will be the online menu you will share on the Google My page, Google My business account. So let's suppose we are going to place an order, select the pizza and the time, and then click on like it's small, medium, whatever size you like, and then add to cart. After doing this, into like click on add to cart and place on the checkout button, click on that and enter your first name, last name, phone number, and the payment method would be like it would be online payment. So you don't need to worry about like it would be the cash on delivery we did right now. So click on the pay button right now. Okay, so the order is placed. Now go back to the software. These are the details, and it's not accepted yet. So here you will see the information, self pickup and the order number this, and to accept, click on the accept button over here and confirm. Now go back to the, it's in preparing phase. Go back to the menu and refresh the menu. Let's refresh it. Now now it's preparing. You can see the in the kitchen it's highlighted, now ready to pick up and then picked up. Now let's suppose we are going to click on ready and confirm. Now if we go to the menu and refresh the page, let me just refresh. Now you will see ready and ready to pick up. Now if we click on the completed, click on that and enter the amount, place checkout and confirm. Yeah, the order is done. Now it's if we refresh it, it will be like picked up. Now you can see above completed. So it's a very simple and easy to use. Now you can see like if you want to like you have business hours, you can do over here. You can mention the address, phone number, and if you have previous orders, you can see the record of like your previous record, that what you have ordered previously, everything, single detail. So let's back. Now this would be the like overview of the software. Now in the upcoming days we are going to show you how the back office software works and how the owner of restaurant can see the videos. Hope you like it. Thank you.